back, my friends, to another work from home job lead video. It's been about 2.5 weeks since I have done a healthcare video. I've been trying not to feature the same companies. I've been trying to look for different companies and different job titles for you, as to not always bring you the same thing week after week. So today we have 7 new healthcare companies that are hiring work from home right now. Some of them are offering part-time hours. Some of them provide the equipment for you. So if you don't have a computer, that's what you are looking for. Some of them require very little experience to get started. I do want to quickly note that United Healthcare and CVS are both not featured in this video because I've featured them before, but they are both still on a hiring frenzy right now. So if none of these job leads are a great fit for you, after you watch this video, you may want to go check out their websites and see what they have to offer. Real quickly, before we dive in, if you are new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet, trying to find the best work from home job leads and bringing them straight to you on a daily basis. Jobs tend to fill up quickly if they are very sought after and popular. So if you don't want to miss another job lead, make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on. That way YouTube will let you know every time I upload a new job lead. But with that being said, let's just dive on in, because we will try to keep this video as short as I possibly can. First up, we have Global Medical Response. They are hiring a part-time remote work from home medical billing revenue cycle claims status level 1. And so they are hiring for their Air Evac live stream. So with a billing representative, I have discussed this in my previous healthcare videos. These are mostly non-phone jobs. 99% of what you do on a daily basis is not going to involve the phone, because most insurance companies have a way for you to look up status online, file appeals online, key claims online, get the electronic EOBs online. So that is where most of the work is going to be done from. But if you have an issue finding the information you need online, there is occasion where you have to pick up the phone and call the insurance company and ask for help. So this may occasionally require some phone work, but it would be very sporadic, occasional, and it would be outbound phone calling only. So some of the essential duties of a billing representative, they say, is to meet the daily and monthly departmental production goals set by leadership. You'll pursue the unpaid accounts by telephone or electronic inquiry, and most of that's going to be electronic inquiry online, to determine the status of the payment in accordance with department follow-up timelines. You'll review system-generated work list and aged reports, resolving accounts which have not been paid in the appropriate time frame based on the payer contracts and guidelines. You'll make inquiries via telephone, mail, fax, or electronically through the payer website or email for follow-up of these unresolved accounts. And most of this is going to be through the payer websites in today's healthcare world. You'll follow their billing process and make necessary contacts to assure that you get the maximum reimbursement on an account. So this is basically just anytime an insurance company denies a claim and does not pay, you follow up to see why the insurance company didn't pay, and then you take some kind of action to see if you can get the insurance company to change their mind and pay the claim. Now, they do prefer someone who has medical or revenue cycle billing experience, but it does not say it is required. What is required is that you have a high school diploma or equivalent, but no college degree is needed. And a few skills that you have is the ability to calculate numbers, correct entries, and post to records. So you need to be good at math. You need to have the ability to gather data, so researching online. You need to have the ability to prepare routine administrative work. Now, one thing I forgot to note in the beginning of this video, all these positions are going to be for my US viewers and subscribers only. I'm having a very hard time finding international healthcare jobs. Healthcare companies in the United States do not normally hire internationally because of all the rules and regulations that are set forth by the federal government that we have to follow. And also, another thing to note, in the healthcare field, a lot of these companies do not post the salary range in the job description, and unfortunately, this one did not, because they always pay based on location and experience. Moving right along, the company Medi-Reb is hiring a revenue cycle representative to work fully remote. Now, this is another billing type job. A revenue cycle representative is responsible for all accounts receivable billing, collection, and follow-up activity to optimize cash flow and reduce bad debt. So, of course, again, you'll be resolving the payer rejections and denials through the appeals process as required by each payer. You'll follow up with the insurance companies on outstanding claims. You'll meet and exceed productivity and quality metrics. And so if you've never worked in a healthcare setting, what productivity and quality metrics mean is, like, the company I work for says that a claim rep has to follow up and take action on 5 claims per hour. So if you work an 8-hour day, this is like 40 claims a day that you need to touch and do something with. So that's kind of what they mean by that. Now, Medi-Reb is looking for someone who has 1 year of high volume insurance denials or appeals, patient collections, or customer service experience preferred. It does not say it's required, and customer service experience can really be any kind of customer service. If you've worked in retail, checking someone out, if you've worked as a server in a restaurant, you performed customer service. They are looking for someone who has excellent written and oral communication skills, someone who can work with Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, all those things. Now, they do have some requirements that you have to meet to be able to work from home, and this is mainly to do with your internet access and capabilities. You need to have certain download speeds. They outline all of that here, and that is because it says based on your job role and the equipment that they supply to you, you must be able to connect their equipment to your internet router box. So they supply all the equipment you need for the job. So if you do not have a computer and you're looking to get into the work from home field, this would be a great opportunity for you. I know a lot of you in the comments have said that you're looking for jobs that you can do from your phone. Most of the jobs that I've found that you only need a cell phone for are more like survey type apps that really pay pennies on a dollar. You're not going to make a full-time income to pay bills and buy groceries with that. So if you only have a cell phone, you might want to be looking for a job that supplies the computer equipment. Some jobs may also allow you to use your phone internet as a hotspot. Unfortunately, this job does not. You would actually have to have access to home internet and able to perform this one. But I will keep looking for those that are in remote areas that don't have great internet or don't have access to equipment that is needed to work from home. Next up, we have something that's a little bit different in the healthcare field. It is Mind, Body, and ClassPass, and this is more on the health and fitness side. And don't fear, it says customer support associate, but it is non-phone based. So ClassPass is in the fitness and wellness industry, and they work by bringing together the world's best fitness and health classes and experiences into one app. So this is one of those apps that you can sign up for and get access to fitness classes, health information, all of that. They are looking for someone to respond to customer inquiries through email, social media platforms, and the live online chat. So no phone is required. It is all typing. They're looking for someone to identify, troubleshoot, and communicate site and app issues to the appropriate teams. You'll need to assist the customers in a timely and helpful manner, anticipating their future questions and needs. You need to be creative thinking and problem solving for the customers, and you'll need to use your knowledge of their products and internal systems to offer the customers different upsells and clear communication. So they are looking for someone who is solution oriented and positive, willing to jump in and take on any big risk or small risk, the ability to multitask, someone who has excellent written and verbal communication skills, someone who is a fast learner, and someone who is flexible and adaptable to changing shifts. You need to have the ability to work weekends and evenings and also holidays. Next up, we have a company, Hollis Cobb. Now, they are a third-party company that healthcare companies and hospitals outsource their revenue cycle and billing to. They are hiring for an insurance follow-up denial management rep, and this is a work-from-home opportunity. This job is estimated to pay anywhere between $52,000 to $69,000 a year. And so they're looking for an experienced hospital and or behavioral insurance follow-up representative. This follow-up representative will be doing all the billing, such as submitting claims, working denials, contacting the insurance companies, the same as the positions that we outlined before. It just says that this is a full-time job Monday through Friday, and they are looking for someone who already has at least 5 years of insurance experience and 5 years of experience working specifically in the Epic system. Next up, the company ICare Services Partners is also hiring a revenue cycle person, but this is specific to credit balance specialists. And so they are looking for someone to analyze all their credit balances before a refund is provided to make sure that everything has been processed correctly and the refund is due to either the patient or the customer or the insurance company. You never want to refund money and then try to have to get it back. So the responsibilities of the credit rep would be to maintain a daily view of credit refund work queues, review posting errors, making any necessary corrections, determine the most efficient process at resolving refund requests, work with the payers through the resolution process, maintain knowledge of insurance processes, notify payers of any takebacks, and submit those to management for approval. So they are looking for someone who has 3 years of professional medical billing or collection experience, someone who has 2 years experience in payment posting or cash posting, especially in the optometry or ophthalmology departments, someone who knows how to read payer contracts and explanation of benefits, and someone who has experience performing tasks that require basic understanding of accounting and math skills. Now, the last two positions I have for you are from the company Change Healthcare. Just like United Healthcare and CVS, they are on a huge hiring frenzy right now. So I've linked their main careers page that is already filtered to remote jobs down below in the description. So if these next two jobs do not work out for you, you might want to scroll through and see everything that they are hiring for, because they currently have 549 remote jobs open. Some of them will require degrees and be more technical, but a lot of them are in the billing and healthcare field. And you can search and sort by job category up here to filter down the results to the only ones that work for you. But with that being said, they are hiring a general clerk, and this does require a tiny bit of phone work, but it doesn't require very much experience at all, so I decided to throw it in here. So the general clerk performs a variety of just clerical and office duties, such as responding and resolving to correspondence, working their claim edits, back-end edits, and reconciliation of charges. So this is mostly done in their online system with their charges before they go out on the claims to be billed to the insurance company. You'll collect information for specific report formats. You'll maintain files, proofreading and completing forms, and checking for accuracy. And occasionally you'll have to answer the telephones and do simple typing. So the actual requirements is a high school diploma or equivalent work experience. And work experience is just outlined as 1 year of professional work experience. It does not say that it has to be in the healthcare industry or customer service. It just says 1 year of professional experience. So any work experience you have will do. They do need someone that has good computer skills and including Microsoft Office and Excel, because you're working from home on a computer. You need a good typing speed. You need to be detail oriented. You need to be able to identify issues and trends and feel comfortable bringing them to the attention of the management team. You'll be handling insurance denial data and forwarding any of the necessary data to the AR or accounts receivable team as required. It says other skills that would be helpful to have, but that is not required, is medical billing experience or healthcare industry experience, strong data entry skills, problem solving skills, and great written and oral communication skills. And last but not least, Change Healthcare is also hiring a process documentation specialist. So a process documentation specialist is more on the training side of the healthcare industry. Someone, when you get new hires, has to train all the documentation that they give you for notes and everything. Someone has to make those up, and that is what this position is for. You'll partner with your training peers. You'll create standardized processes within the revenue cycle, so data entry, payment posting, accounts receivable. You'll research, draft, compose, and edit materials such as policies, procedures, job aids used by the production team so that they know how to do their job. You will organize the material and content as a subject matter expert. You will manage the web-based tools if there are any for the company, and you'll work any special projects as assigned. So they are looking for this position, someone who has 1 year experience drafting policies or procedures, someone who has experience in Microsoft Office or web tools at SharePoint, someone who has experience with multiple functions and multiple billing platforms within a healthcare revenue cycle. They also need someone who has strong attention to detail and strong written and verbal communication skills. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you are looking for anything specific, feel free to leave that in the comments along with any experience and education you have. I am always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to bring you. Also, don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. Sharing is always caring. Get the word out so all of our family and friends can work from home also. I just want everyone working from home living their best, happy, healthy lives. And I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.